All right, so as you can see, I am currently working on a timeline in Premiere Pro. Just to make sure you guys are in the right spot, what I want to show you is this video. All right, now this is just a PNG sequence that I've exported from After Effects. There is no way to create this scrolling, numbers going upwards in Premiere Pro that I've found, and a client requested that I include that in a video. So what I've done is I've created this in After Effects, but usually in After Effects, when you export anything, there's a background to it, right? But we want the background to be transparent, so we can bring it into Premiere Pro. We could put footage underneath it, for example, and we just want to be able to import it here as a PNG sequence, right? So we were to click on the first guy, import that as an image sequence, and then we can drag and drop this into our timeline over any footage that we're working from, okay? So in order to do that, what I want you guys to do is come into After Effects, into your timeline. It does not matter what you're working on. It does not matter if you're working on this text or if you just want to export whatever you're working on as a PNG sequence. What you're going to want to do is click on the transparency grid, and you want to go ahead and show that, okay? So this is, you should be able to see, the transparency grid in the background. If you're going to export this as a PNG sequence, you're going to want to see that. That's going to show you the transparency. All right, so as you can see, we got white text, we got transparent background. I've already set this up, so we're ready to export, but just go ahead and make sure you're ready to export. You're going to want to come up to File, select Export, and click Add to Render Queue. All right, now we want to go through the settings. So the output module, we want to click on that. We want to change the format from QuickTime to PNG sequence. And then the channels, we want to show the transparent channel. So we want to switch channels to alpha. Press OK. That's everything you guys need to do. Just go ahead and save this. I'm just going to title it Re-Export since I've already exported this. I just wanted to record a quick tutorial because I struggle with this a lot. So if there's anyone out there that's searching for this, I hope that you find this. And now you can export these PNG sequences. Go ahead and click Render from After Effects. As you can see, this one's going to go pretty quick. And we retitled it Re-Export. So I'm going to go ahead and come up to File, Import, and then we're going to click the first frame, 000 it should say. Make sure that image sequence is selected here. Click Open. And now if we double click this in Premiere Pro, we have a transparent, text in this case of these numbers that's going up, right? You can watch it all the way to 1,000,000. So we can continue working on all these promo videos. So thanks for watching. I hope this answered the question. If it did help you, let us know. If you have any other questions, just drop them in the comments below and we'll get them answered.